As someone who is both interested in AI and like basic human psychology, I am kind of curious to know just how many people who work on AI also have a pretty good background in psychology. I think that fundamentally understanding how to make AGI is very connected to how people like themselves have developed intelligence, how intelligence functions, how memory functions with training models and then fine-tuning them multiple times. Obviously, you're going to get retroactive interference and stuff, which is a psychology thing. And it's not called that with AI. However, I think understanding psychology and technology is probably a big way in which you would make furtive steps in the right direction to actually getting something akin to AI. I am very curious how many people out there that are working on this and doing research on this have a very strong base in psychology, because I think that it would benefit them to be able to study the human mind and how it actually works if they want to translate that into technology. And I'm sure that many do have a decent understanding of it. Like, I'm sure they took general psychology and stuff, a lot of them. But how many of them studied, say, developmental psychology or the science of intelligence or memory? Because if they did, I think that we might be a little bit farther. When I do my personal research on AI and as I study and stuff, I constantly am cross-relating levels of it to psychology, constantly to my psychology courses, because it just makes sense. And I don't know why it's not talked about more, because it's a fundamental key to fully developing this thing, I think.